Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find oldest video on YouTube channel. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your YouTube, and then you simply need to open any channel. So I'm going to open my channel and click on your channel, and here you need to click on videos, and on the top you can see different options, and here is the option that is oldest. Click on that and you can find all your oldest videos uploaded on YouTube, and you can check oldest videos of any channel. So let me show you an example channel. So this is channel we're going to check. Click on videos and click on oldest. So here you can see that. So this is the process by which you can check oldest videos of any YouTube channel. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.